Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by picking what to share. That both speeds the process and limits what others see. Open Google Photos, sign in, and select the images you want. Once selected, add them to an album if you have more than a few. Albums keep files organized and make link sharing simpler. Make sure the photos are fully uploaded and backed up so recipients won't see placeholders. Once done, tap the share icon on the album or selected items to begin creating the shareable link. Now create the actual link and decide how people interact with your photos. Tap Share, then Create Link. Google generates a unique URL. Before you copy it, check the access settings, pick Viewer Only for read access, or enable collaboration if you want others to add photos. You can also add a short message or rename the album to give context. These choices control privacy and prevent accidental edits. After configuring, use Copy Link so you can paste the URL into a Finish by pasting the link where your recipients will see it, text, email, or social app, then send. To stop sharing later, open the album's sharing options and delete link. That immediately invalidates the URL. Make sure to communicate whether recipients can add content or just view. If someone reports they can't open the link, have them try an incognito window and confirm the album finished uploading. If that fails, revoke and recreate the link. This often resolves permission or caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.